In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix that error call. You can't make this change at this moment because you notice you are using a new device. So they asked you to use an older device that you used to log into your Facebook account within last year. This error gets when you do some critical changes of your account, like changing your email or changing your primary phone number, as well as enable two-step verification like security changes. So first I will show you what's the error. When you do some critical security changes of your account, you will get this message. You can't make this change at this moment. They ask you to use another device that you used to log in. As well as not only your original Facebook application, if you use your Facebook Lite application, you will get the same message. Not only Facebook Lite application, even if you use the web version, you will get this message. So changing the application or use the web version is not a solution. As well as if you try to add new email address, then when you try to delete your old email address and make it primary, you will get the same message. As well as sometime when you try to remove your mobile number, you will get the same message. So you have to close all these applications. You don't use any of these Facebook application or related application. Close all the application. After that, you have to use your Instagram application to make these changes. So go to Play Store, App Store. If you don't have that application in your device, like this, you can download and install. After installing, close the Play Store, App Store. Then you have to open your Instagram application. Then you have to have an Instagram account. If you don't have Instagram account, first you have to create an account. Or you can connect your Instagram and Facebook account, then it will be automatically create an account. After that, tap your profile icon, then tap the hamburger menu. Now in the pop-up window, you have to select settings and privacy to go to account center option. Then you have to select the account center option at the top of the list. After opening, you will get this kind of pop-up window. Here you can see this is Meta account center. At the bottom, you can see another section for account. You have to tap account section. Then you can see there is only Instagram. If you already added your Facebook account to Meta account center, it will show up here. But if you didn't add your Facebook account, you have to tap the add button. After that, tap add Facebook account. Then if you log into your Facebook account through your mobile application, it will list like this. If it is not, you have to enter your login details and connect your Facebook and Instagram account together. Then you have to tap yes, finish adding. Then just wait a few seconds until it gets set up. After that, you can see your both Instagram and Facebook account are connected in Meta account center. You can go back. Here I will show you. Right now I'm using my Instagram application. From this Meta account center, you can change whatever the setting you want to change in Facebook account too. Like this, if you go to security changes, then tap two-factor authentication, then you have to select Facebook. After that, sometimes they ask to re-enter your password. Now you can see without getting that error message, they allow me to do these security changes. They allow me to turn on two-factor authentication. After that, I will tap next. Like this, you can go forward and turn on two-factor authentication. In this video, I'm not going to show you how to do that thing completely. If you want to learn more about how to do that thing, I will upload a separate video on my YouTube channel. As well as if you want to watch that video, I will put that video link in the description too. Like this, you can turn on two-factor authentication within your Instagram application for your Facebook account. After that, I will go to my Facebook application to show you is that enabled for my account. Like this, I will go back to my Facebook application. Then I will go to security section. Select password and security. I will select two-factor authentication. Then I will select Facebook. Here you can see authentication application is another option to get code. As well as I have turned on additional method. You can see now I'm in my Facebook application. So this is how to make these changes that you can't make within Facebook application. All you have to do, go to your Instagram application, connect this account together, then you can make all the changes you want to make. After that, those changes will be updated in both applications because you are connected this account in Meta Account Center. Using the same method, you can do the other security changes too, like deleting your primary email address or deleting your mobile number or adding new contact like this. Whatever the thing you can't make on Facebook, you can do that thing using Instagram. If you got any error, I will upload alternative way. There are many ways to do that thing. You can find all the video links in the description. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Later.